crispy brownie marshmallow bars. Take one. All right, guys. Billy found this recipe and sent it to me, so he wanted me to make it. First off, it says to use a brownie mix. We are using our own homemade because I don't have any brownie mix because brownie mix is so easy to make. So, and I have everything. But if you want to use a brownie mix, absolutely fine. So, first off, we're going to use 1 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we'll put in a 1/3 cup of just unsweetened cocoa. And guys, this can be just your brownie mix that you keep in the cupboard or pantry, as you say, in the pantry, and then you just add, I'll show you the liquid that we use here in a minute, but this can be just your pantry staples too. All right, so there's that, and now we have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
That didn't even cost them any extra.
Yeah.
No extra charge.
All right, so that is what you would put in for your pantry. And then you will add 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of oil, your choice, avocado oil, olive oil, some kind of neutral oil, vegetable oil, a teaspoon of vanilla.
Or, you know.
Or the end of it. And I have right here, because Billy likes espresso in his chocolate stuff, so I keep this on hand. And I put in a 1/2 teaspoon with just a little bit of water to dissolve it. If you already dissolve it into liquid before you put it in your powder, then it opens up those flavors, is what I hear. So we're going to put that in there.
Bam! Just like that, huh?
Just like that. And then we're going to put in our eggs. So let's see what we got. 1. This egg looks like a gray egg. We get farm fresh eggs. And that one's a different color one there. All right, that's it for the brownie mix. So let's get this all mixed up. And if you want to put chocolate chips in it or nuts, be glad to if you want to.
Make it your own.
We don't want to mix this too much. They say brownie mix, just mix it until it's together. If you read on one of the boxes, it says 50 strokes on it. All right.
Close enough.
As long as everything's mixed up. I've got a 9x9 pan. We're just going to spray it. I've got olive oil spray here. You can put parchment paper in here if you don't want to put no spray. Guys, we're not picky around here like that kind of stuff. All right. So we'll pour this in there. And we got our oven set at 350 degrees. And when I put the ingredients in the description box, I will put pantry mix and then I'll just say add with the eggs and the oil. And then this isn't all that we're doing. We're going to be adding more, but we got to bake our brownie mix first. So in the oven, 350 for 20 minutes or so, and we'll be back. All right, the brownies was in the oven for about 18 minutes. They are cooled down. And now we're going to put on a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. You know, that stuff's not real easy to spread. So, oh, well, it's hot today, so maybe it's going to do all right. So we're going to get all that out of there. Spread that around if we can.
That might be hard to do.
We're going to say we can do it. All right. Spread that around a little bit like that. All the way to the end that we can get it.
I've never had nothing like this before, so this ought to be good. Oh, yeah, you got a spread out there.
Yeah.
You did good.
All right. So now, let's put that there a minute. I have 2 cups of chocolate chips. Use whatever you have. Use whatever you want. These are milk chocolate. So we're putting those in there. And I have 1 cup of peanut butter. And then we're just going to microwave these together.
Oh. Very interesting.
He sent me the recipe, but he didn't look at it. He just looked at the picture. It was like, ooh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm. Well, anything peanut butter and chocolate I knew was going to be good. So.
All right, so we're going to put this in the microwave for 30-second intervals until we can get it all stirred up. All right, it took 2 times in my microwave at 30 seconds each, and we got a nice smooth consistency here. Now we're going to pour in 2 cups of Rice Krispies. 3 cups, I believe it was. 3 cups. Like I said, I will leave the ingredients in that description box. And now we're just going to stir this up. This is where the crispy part comes in. Whoops. If you can get them all stirred up and kept in there, that's where it went in.
Mm-hmm.
Get them all covered up here.
Oh, that's going to be good.
All right. Good enough.
We'll have to work out 4 hours just to get one piece of that all worked off.
Look at this. My goodness. Now, if that isn't a buildable dessert. Woo!
Oh. My goodness.
And we're going to put this down in there. Now we're going to let this cool and get all set together. And then we'll be back for that taste test.
And that's what she's looking forward to.
You are. All right, guys. Here's what she looks like. I already took out a piece. And here we go. Going in.
That looks good.
This is right up his alley, you know.
And rich.
Chocolate and chocolate. All right. Very rich. It's good, but it's not my favorite. Just because I'm not the big chocolate eater like this. But it's good. Really good. And I think it'd even be good without the Krispies in it. Here, you come around here and try this. You need to be on camera a minute. You haven't been on camera for a while. Because you will like that. I'm getting the stink eye. Guys, he ain't been on camera for a while. He needs to be on there. Mmm.
I think it's very good.
Yeah, I knew he would like it. It's just, I'm not much on the chocolate stuff, but yeah, he's probably going to get him a glass of milk and finish that piece. He's even going in for a second. So thumbs up on that. All right. I'm still getting the stank eye. All right, we'll get off of here so he can give me some more stank eye. Sitting there like... But we need to see him once in a while on camera, too. It's been a long time since he's been on camera.
I was on camera the other day where you filming me singing.
Yeah, but that's singing. That's not this channel. All right, guys. Tell him. We need some more of him. So like, comment.
No, guys, don't say that.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.